Your tests passed. Your logs are green. Your deploy went clean. And your customer is missing 80 rupees. Which of these three just lied to you? Three failure modes: Vanish, crash, silent. Each one looks different. Each one has a tell. And by the end of this video, one question catches all three. Quick context: async code lets your program keep running while some other work is still happening somewhere else. That gap between the firing of the work and seeing the result is where the bugs live. Three ways async lies: what they look like and the code that stops them. Three fixes total, plus three different ways to fix the worst one. Vanish. Here's the scenario. A customer places order number 4781. Your code calls an async function to send the confirmation email. That function throws an error somewhere, but you forgot to put a catch on the promise it returned. So there's no failure log. The order is in your database. The customer never gets their email. The tell isn't failure log appearing. It's a success log that should be there and isn't. The fix is the catch itself. Attach a handler at the call site so the rejection has somewhere to land. And separately, one block at the top of your process listens for anything you forgot. That's a safety net, not a real fix. Catch them at the call site first. Crash. A request handler fires off a background save. There's a try catch around it. The save fails. The process dies. The try catch never fires. Why? You forgot await. The handler returned OK to the user. The try catch exited. The request was done. A millisecond later, the save threw, and the throw had nowhere to land. So the process crashed instead. The fix is one word: await. Or if you genuinely don't want to wait, attach catch so the rejection lands somewhere. Silent. Account A1 has 100 in it. Two withdrawal requests arrive at the same moment, each one for 80 rupees. Request 1 reads the balance, sees 100. Request 2 does the exact same thing, reads 100. Both pass the check. 100 is greater than 80. Both write 20. The balance flips from 100 to 20. Both log success. Both succeeded. Both wrote 20. The account ends at 20 rupees when it should either be at minus 60 or have one withdrawal rejected. No error fired. Every log says everything worked. The total is just wrong. Now, the fix. Three patterns. Pick one per problem. First, pessimistic log. Add for update to your select. The database refuses a second writer until the first one commits. Airtight but slower under load. Second, optimistic with a version. Read the row plus its version number. Write back only if the version still matches what you read. If someone else got in between, your update touches 0 rows and you retry. Faster, but you have to handle the retry. Third, a serialized queue. One worker per account. Always. All writes to the account A1 go through queue A1, processed one at a time. Different mechanisms, same job. Close the time gap so nothing else can sneak in. Here's all of it in one frame. Mode, symptom, tell, fix. Vanish. Missing promise handler, catch. Crash. Try catch when silent, always await. Silent. Math wrong with no errors. And you pick one of these three. Lock, version or queue. Screenshot this. That's the episode. Early on, we ask, is my code correct? Later, we learn there is one question that works on any async block we read. Where is the gap? Now you know how async fails inside your code. Next, what happens before your code even runs? Episode 13, Tuesday.